आज का वीडियो ना बहुत ही डिफरेंट होने वाला है बिकॉज आई हैवंट डन दिस काइंड ऑफ अ सीरीज ever on my YouTube channel. So I thought there have been products that I repurchase again and again. So why not like create product empties videos which would be super super fun. You won't believe कि मैंने महीनों भर से products like खाली products के bottles jars like स्टॉक करके रखा हुआ है so that I can actually show it to you and I'm very very excited. So let's get started. So let's start with body care first. So the first product that I have is this. Now this is a huge bottle. Can you see? This is by the way from B Body Vice and this is their 1% salicylic body wash. This is an amazing product. अगर आपके बॉडी में like पिंपल्स या एक्नीज या ये लिटिल बम्स होते हैं या स्ट्रॉबेरी स्किन होता है सो दिस रियली हेल्प्स टू एक्सफोलिएट एंड यू कैन यूज दिस एवरी सिंगल डे एंड दिस इज द बॉटल दैट आई यूज्ड. दिस इज ongoing. If you can see, yeah, if you can see this, it's ongoing and I have actually restocked. So can you see? I've restocked the entire bottle again. This is such a wonderful product. It actually retails for about 6.99, but you do get these on discount. अभी नाइका का सेल चल रहा था तो I thought why not grab it. So I love this product. आपको दिखाई दे रहा होगा कि how much I love this. So let's move to another one. So the next product is again by B Body Wise. Trust me when I say this, their body care range is so wonderful. I have been using this. Okay, this is their 10% AHA body scrub. This actually exfoliates the dead skin, and also if you have like crazy tan, it also helps to get rid of it. The most important and the best thing about this is you only have to use it once a week and not every day. You can actually use on your arms, on your legs, and also underarm to remove that tan and the the dead skin and everything. So I repurchased it. It is the same tube. They have just launched like a new packaging which I quite like. So if you see, I've already squeezed this out. It I used this for about 6 months straight and it there is a little bit product there, but again there was sale on, so I thought 5% discount, but I got it on discount. Okay, so next up is by Chemist at Play, and this body wash actually has ceramides in it, which is so good. Again, this has lactic acid, salicylic acid, and vitamin E and suits all skin type. Also, it tells that it exfoliates the skin, removes the dead skin, dead cells, and this again is very gentle on your skin. It doesn't feel like you're poking something on your skin. बहुत ही अच्छा product है ये, and I honestly love it. Again, this is dermatologically tested, and the best part about this product is you can also use this as a face wash, and it is very beautiful. I actually used this as a face wash and I've not broken out or there wasn't any acne or anything on my skin. In fact, it really feels fresh and really feels good. So this was the old product and I have restocked it. So I love this and I would highly recommend. Next up is a body lotion. Now, sadly, वो जो old ट्यूब था ना वो मैंने फेंक दिया. But I just realized that. But honestly, I don't know which tube number is this. I think I've used about 3 or 4 tubes of it, and this is so beautiful. It smells amazing. It does. It does. And then if you actually see the consistency, it's so good. It just absorbs inside like your skin in like seconds and see the difference. It's so hydrating, so good, and I super love it. So they actually have three variant, and I actually have all the three variants with me. You don't trust me? You don't trust me? See this. सो मेरे पास है इनका वैसलीन का ग्लूटा हाया dewy radiance, which is great for, after you have done like a shower in the morning. It's super light, it doesn't feel greasy, it doesn't feel heavy, super moisturizing. It has 10x more powerful vitamin C, and it has niacinamide, which is again so good. The next one, the glutahaya one, is like a pro retinol. That is what they say, but I am honestly not a fan of this. So ये खत्म नहीं हुआ, ये मेरा पहला ट्यूब है. And this one is again my favorite, but ये मैंने recently, I shopped and I really loved it. I use this as like overnight, like after I take the night shower, I use this. This is so beautiful, but I am going to repurchase once this is over. But for this video, I would highly recommend this. This is extremely moisturizing and smells good. This is by the OG Vaseline. What else do you want? So go grab this. So now let's move to the hair care products category. I just have two products with me that I have repurchased, but these have been like a game changer totally. So the first product that I have is by L'Oreal. This is their hyaluronic moisture. Yeah, moisture. It gives 72 hours of moisture filling shampoo. It does have hyaluronic acid. It replumps your hair with long lasting hydration. This is for dehydrated hair. This is a wonderful product. I don't know मैंने कितनी ट्यूब्स इसके ख़त्म किए like this one. So मैंने बोला यार हर बार ट्यूब लाने से अच्छा I will just get this big bottle. So sorry, I've got cold. I've got the bigger version of it so that it goes for a very long time, and I got like a solid discount. This was for about 1239 and I got this for 800 rupees. So I thought Nika sale ka advantage उठाते हुए, so I bought this and I am so happy with this purchase. Now talking about this product, I honestly just use this shampoo and I don't use a conditioner. I don't use a serum. I don't use a hair mask. But मैंने hair mask and all for an experiment Nykaa sale में order किया है to see. But prior to this, I have not used like any hair, um, serums or hair um mask and everything that we call. I have just used this shampoo and my god, like this is like best. You see my hair? This is like the third day of the wash and it still feels so good. And I would highly recommend this if you have like frizzy hair or dehydrated hair, or if you feel that your hair tends to get oily very soon. I would highly recommend this because solid 3 to 4 days आपको shampoo करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी because this one does the job. Let's move on. So next up is the product that the whole internet is talking about is this product, like this. This is the Wish Care Hair Growth Serum Concentrate. This is such a wonderful product. This not only helps you to get the hair that you have lost, but also helps to control the hair fall. I've been using this for over 4 months now, honestly. This one is still there, and I've also gotten like a new, I've not even opened this. I've got this, and this is like so beautiful. Yeah, I mean, what do I say? I've already spoken about this. This actually claims reduces hair falls and boost hair growth, and this actually does the job. Like does the job. If you see all the hair that I have right here, like here, all these baby hair have only come because of this one serum. This is truly, truly beautiful. In case you get this on discount, or if you want to try this, you can absolutely do it because it is very, very, very beautiful. And yes, that's the reason I bought it. And about the ingredient, if you want to know more about it, it has it actually has 3% Rencidil. That is how I think they pronounce, which is great for your hair growth. It also has like rosemary, rice water, caffeine, anagain, and bisopril. Uh, that is what it is written here. These are the main ingredients. And how much does this cost? It should be here. Oh, it is for about 999, but you'll surely find this on discount. I got this for about 30% discount. So yeah, and that was a deal, so I just bought it for myself. Okay, now let's quickly move to lip care. I have two lip balms, straight and simple. This one I don't think if you guys would have heard. This is by NMF. This is their lip care. It has SPF 40. It is absolutely great. Super, super cheap. I've got like a new stock of it because I loved this product. This is for about 175 rupees and this looks so, so amazing. Basic, nothing, no tinted, but it actually feels very, very moisturizing on your lips. I'm just gonna show it to you. Can you see that? It's a very, very, very wonderful lip balm. Super affordable. I think you can actually get this. This was 175 rupee. Then I think it's a complete steal deal. Also having like an SPF 40 plus. I think it's rare to get for just 175 rupees. So just get this. It's amazing. Trust me, it is. So, so next up is another lip balm which is by Juicy Chemistry. It is their blood orange and rose hip organic lip balm for pigmented lips. If you have pigments, trust me, this is such a wonderful, 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 wonderful product. This retails for about 350 rupees. डिस्काउंट में मिल जाएगा, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. अभी इसका स्टोरी ये है, फर्स्ट आई बॉट, पूरा खत्म हो गया. आई हैड एक्चुअली केप्ट इट, बट देन आई लॉस्ट इट. Second one I bought, I used half. I went for some vacation. I lost it. So when I came back, I ordered another one. इसके लिए मेरे पास खाली वाला डब्बा नहीं है. This is like the packed sealed one. This is such a beautiful product. If you have pigmented lips, if you think that your lips are black, if you think your lips are extremely dark brown, pigmented, what is that is what I mean. So I think you should definitely try this. It's extremely beautiful. It has helped my lips a lot and I would totally recommend this. Let's quickly move to the final part of this video, which is skincare. So the first product that I have is by Dr. Shade. It is their ceramide and vitamin C sunscreen. Extremely beautiful product. It doesn't feel very, very heavy or sticky on your skin. Extremely great if you have a combination skin. Um, it has like 1% ceramide, 2% vitamin C complex. It also has hyaluronic acid and the best part is it is actually made by the doctor. अभी इसका जो older version था मैंने फेंक दिया. I have no idea कि कहाँ पे है, but this is a wonderful, wonderful product and इसके लिए I would highly, highly recommend this one. Next one is a moisturizer. I love this and if you would see, I actually use a lot of Dr. Shades product because I love them. Again, इसका empty tube है मेरे पास. It is completely gone and this is like a new bottle that I got from the sale. This is their Kesar and Kojic acid oil-free moisturizer. I've told this before. Again, I'm saying that if you pair this moisturizer with your vitamin C serum, it is going to be a great, great combination. Extremely light on your skin. It has Kesar extract. It has alpha arbutin, which actually targets pigmentation, and it has again Kojic acid, which is so, so good if you have blemishes or if you have pigmentation. It is great for all skin type. That is what it is written. I have used this. I've been on combination side lately, so it has worked for me and I think it is extremely wonderful product. Next up is my favorite. I can't even stress on that, but so beautiful. Again by Dr. Sheth. It is their Haldi and hyaluronic acid sleeping mask. You just have to put this on your skin night, pay, and get up in the morning, and you'll have such beautiful skin. All of these products range under I think 600, 700, and the best part is Dr. Sheth also comes up with this thing of buy one get one. You should definitely check their website, and they're always on offer, so you would get this under 500 rupees and even less than that. Dr. Sheth makes some wonderful products, so should definitely try this. अभी इसका ट्यूब फिर से मैंने फेंक दिया, so I'm sorry, but highly recommend. If you're looking for some night cream, if you're looking for some mask, you should just put this on your skin and just sleep for that next glowing skin next morning. That is what I meant. Next up again, बहुत पहले ही फेंक दिया था, which was by this Plum. It is their niacinamide and rice water serum. So when I first started using actives like niacinamide, I actually went with this because it was super light and it was beginner friendly, and then I switched to the ordinary, but I'm back to this because I really love this, and this is actually very affordable. This for 849 rupees, but still you get on discount. Yeah, you sometimes also get for like around 40% discount on their Plump website, and you also get this on Nykaa. So should definitely try this out in case you're someone who is a beginner and wants to use an active of niacinamide. This has rice water also, so you should definitely check this out. This is a great product for beginners. It is extremely light. It actually gives that rice water consistency. It doesn't feel sticky, but you have to be super consistent, and this is like something that you can pair with all of the other products that you use. And yes, it says that it is um good for all skin types, so yes, I would highly recommend this one. Another popular sunscreen is this by Dermaco. Again, I have used this bottle फेंक दिया, but I would highly recommend this. ये actually Nykaa पे भी number one stand करता है for the sunscreen, and a lot of people talk about this. This has a gel like consistency and it has 1% hyaluronic acid. Now hyaluronic acid actually helps to plump your skin and gives you that glowing and hydrated skin. So yes, this one is great. It also has vitamin E, and the best part is it is fragrance free. So yeah, it has UVA, UVB plus blue light broad spectrum protection. My God, and that's the reason I think this stands one. Actually ये मैंने बहुत पहले यूज़ किया था this year, but then I stopped because I want to try something else. But then I saw that this have come, like Nykaa have ranked this number one by the viewers, so I thought let's get back to this because this was super good and beautiful on the skin. So yeah, this is something that you should definitely try. And the last product I have is an aloe vera gel. अभी ना बहुत सारी चीज़ें मार्केट में आता है जो एलो वेरा जेल विथ कलर आता है, बट ऑनेस्टली आप अगर एलो वेरा जेल देखोगे इट इज़ ट्रांसपेरेंट. सो दिस वन एक्चुअली आई हैड the older version of it which was in a green tub. वो एक्सपायर हो गया तो मैंने फेंक दिया, बट दिस वन आई गॉट इट इन अ ट्यूब विच इज़ मोर कन्वीनियंट आई बिलीव. It is great. It actually helps your skin, it calms your skin. You can actually use this product on your hair and also on your face. Just to give you a name, it is by Earth Rhythm, and it is their organic aloe vera gel extract, and it helps in calming your face. You can also use it as a hair mask and then wash your hair off. You can also, so basically, I use it when I have to shave my face. So I use a generous amount on my skin and then just, remove all the, what do I say, all the hair from my face so that there are no cuts and burns. So this is extremely smoothing, extremely great. So if you're looking for some aloe vera gel which is extremely, hydrating, and it is not knuckly and it is organic, you should definitely try the Earth Rhythm because it does not even have that weird smell. That is what I remember. And this is for about 349 rupees, and I think I got this on discount. I've not pay the entire amount. So yes, that was all about the empties. I know that there were a lot of products जिसके खाली डब्बे मेरे पास नहीं थे, but I'm gonna make sure that if you like these kind of videos, I'm gonna Jamify everything and then I'm gonna show it to you. But with that, I hope you all loved this video and it helped in case you were confused to which one to pick. It was great filming this kind of a video, and if you enjoy this, I'll probably make more of these. But with that, let's end today's video and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love, love.